for today. So your learning objective is, I understand what a second is when learning about time. Okay, so you'll know from our video that we're learning about time actually for the next few weeks, because there's a lot that we need to cover to do with time, but it's actually a really exciting topic to learn about. You learn lots really quickly, and yeah, we're gonna have so much fun with it. And it comes with really good little tasks and challenges, so it's a really fun time, guys. So today you are going to be learning what a second is. Now when I say second, I don't mean in the way that if we're lining up for assembly and I say you're first in the line, you're second in the line. I don't mean that. I don't mean second as in when we're putting things into an order, like that one's first, that one's second, that one's third. That's not what we're talking about today, just so we don't get confused. Today we are talking about something called a second. And if you know what that is, fantastic. We're really going to test your learning today. And if you're not sure what that is, do not worry. That's why we're all going to do some new learning on this today. Okay? But I'm ready to get going. So, I'll see you in a second. Okay guys, so as I've said, today we're going to be learning about 1 second. Okay, so 1 second is a way that we measure time. Okay, you've done measuring before. You've measured length, you've measured distance, so how far, how near. You've done a lot of measuring. What we haven't yet measured is time. Okay, so time is passing us by, as we know. So I might say to you guys, I'll be 1 second, and that's telling you how long or how quick I'm going to be. But when I say I'll be 1 second, I actually couldn't possibly be 1 second, because 1 second is a very short amount of time. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what 1 second is. Okay, so a way that you can time a second is by saying 1 potato. That took me 1 second to say. Ready? 1 potato. That is a second. Let me show you on a timer. I actually put this into a timer. I wanted it to do a stopwatch for 1 second, and I'm going to show you how quickly it is. Are you ready? And that was it, you guys. I'm not joking you. That is how quickly a second is. So for example, for me to click my fingers, that's 1 second. That's how quick it is. For this pen to reach the board, 1 second. It's a really short amount of time. It goes by really quickly, and lots of things you can do in a second, but lots of things take a lot longer than a second. I'm gonna play you right now a song for a second. Okay, so you can hear how you've seen a second on a stopwatch, but now I'm going to show you. You can listen to a song for 1 whole second. Get ready, guys. That was it, guys. That was that song for 1 second. Honestly, we would never learn any songs, would we? I don't think music would be very enjoyable if every song was only 1 second. So songs are made up of many seconds, because they're a lot longer than that. So you understand what I'm saying. 1 second is a very short amount of time. There's quite few things that we can do in that amount of time. A lot of things take many more seconds. We'll move on to that more tomorrow. Okay, but today we're focusing on 1 second. So now you've seen it and you've heard it, you understand it's a really short amount of time. So with that being said, today your challenge is to see things that you can do in 1 second and things that you cannot do in 1 second. I want you to really feel how quick a second is and how it's such a short amount of time. Now, you might have access to a phone or a tablet where you can use a stopwatch or a countdown timer on it for 1 second. To help you, you might not have access to that. If you have access to a computer, if you have your adult help you, if you're online, only ever go online with an adult, then it has stopwatch timers on there. Purple Mash has a stopwatch timer, but if all else fails, guys, no need to worry, because you can time a second by saying 1 potato. It takes a second to say 1 potato. So if you're counting in seconds, say I set you a task and it's taking longer than 1 potato, then for another second you say 2 potato, 3 potato, 4 potato, 5 potato, and that helps you to count in seconds, because if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it's actually shorter than a second. Okay, so to make sure that we are counting in seconds, you can say 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4 potato, to really test yourself. So I'm going to show you. So we're doing 1 second. So if at the top of your book you can write 1 second, you may want to split your book. It's totally up to you how you want to lay this out. And then you might write more than 1 second, because you don't know yet. It's your challenge and you're going to work it out, okay? So say the first thing I say to you is sing the chorus, that's the middle, of Baby Shark. Can I do it in 1 second, or is it going to take me more than 1 second? Do you know what the word more means? It means bigger, larger, in this case longer, because we're looking at time. So it's going to be longer than 1 second. Or can I do it in 1 second? Are you ready? Guys, I hope you've got faith in me. Ready? You can time me by counting 1 potato. If I can sing the chorus of Baby Shark, by the time you finish saying 1 potato, it can go in this column. If it takes me longer than that, it's got to go in here. Ready? Get ready to count. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Okay, that took me more than 1 second. So, whoosh, how am I going to draw a shark? I'll do a fin in the water. Baby shark. And maybe a microphone. So it took me more than 1 second to sing Baby Shark. If you're feeling like you want to do some writing today, guys, you can sound it out. You can use your letter map. Sing baby sh sound, R sound, and it's a kicking k. Sing Baby Shark. Took me more than 1 second. Okay? But now it might be that I clap my hands. I've got one hand holding this, so I'm just gonna do a quick clap. Ready? I would say that took me a second. Okay, so app and clap hands. Then if you're feeling like it, woo, draw a hand. Your hands will be much better than mine, guys. Clap hands takes 1 second, okay, guys? So I am going to give you a few ideas right now, but I'd also like you to come up with some of your own ideas and really put it to the challenge. And then I'd like you guys to get back in touch with me and tell me anything super interesting that you found that either took a second that you could get done really quickly, or that did take more than 1 second but you gave it a really good go. Okay, let's get started.
Can you watch TV in 1 second? Can you blink in 1 second? Can you smile in 1 second? Can you fill a water bottle in 1 second? Can you tie your shoelaces or do your Velcro in 1 second? Okay, guys, so I've given you some, but now your challenge is to think about things that you can do at home or if you're at school. All these different things that you can do in either a second or give it a go. It might take you longer than a second, okay? So I might say jump. Can you jump in 1 second? Time yourself or get someone to time you. Use a stopwatch. Or say 1 potato. Something else might be, can you wash your hands in 1 second? I really hope not. I hope it takes you a lot longer than that. Can you brush your teeth in 1 second? Can you put your coat on in 1 second? All of these different things, I'd like you to have a think, work with your adult and really see and try what you can do in 1 second and what takes you more than 1 second. And this is going to get us ready for our learning tomorrow. So if you make a note of what takes you more than 1 second, if you draw that or write about it, we're going to move on to working with some of those things tomorrow. Okay, guys, good luck.
Okay, guys, so your challenge after you finish today's work, if you're feeling up to it, is you are going to find somebody in your house to play a game of hide and seek with you. Then you're going to count 10 seconds the first time for them to go and hide. So 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4 potato, 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato, 8 potato, 9 potato, 10 potato. And then you're going to go and find them. Okay, then the next time you play, you're going to actually give them 20 seconds. So you're going to count 1 potato 20 times, all the way to 20, and you are going to see if by giving them a longer amount of time, so more seconds to go and hide, did they manage to find a better hiding place. Okay guys, good luck. I hope you get on and have some fun.